What's the meaning of block diagram? Block diagram. Block diagram.
Block diagram. Block diagram. A block diagram is a graphical representation of a system in which the principal parts or functions are represented by blocks, connected by lines that show the relationships of the blocks. The purpose of a block diagram is to visually represent the system, its components, and their relationships. These diagrams are commonly used in engineering, electronics, and software development, as well as in other fields such as economics, biology, and psychology. They are used to simplify complex systems, aid in the design and communication of ideas, and provide a high-level overview of a system's functionality. Block diagrams can be used for both physical and abstract systems and are an essential tool for understanding, analyzing, and optimizing complex systems.